My start question number 23 pertains to the concept of the unsung heroes of Arunachal. Personally, I abhor glorifying killings, but wherein most of the unsung hero concept is based on the fight with the British by the local people of our state in their respective regions or locations that as it may be. Now, the very purpose of dissecting the unsung hero concept is also to dig out those relevant incidences that had occurred, which were lost and unknown. If that is so the concept of the very basis of the unsung heroes of our state, then there are many incidences wherein these clashes with the Britishers took place, which were not written and conceptualized in the present context of the unsung heroes that has just come out from the state government and the research department. I would like to ask the state government whether this unsung hero concept and the heroes who had fought with the Britishers, whether it was for the concept of freedom or for any other purpose, but it was a fight to contain the British advance in that particular region who tried to subdue them. There are many incidents which took place. And how do we get to know of the incidents that took place? It was from the British only, the writings of the British personnel, the British army personnel, the political officers, the assistant political officers that may have been in that time. If that is so, whether the unsung hero concept will be stationary to that which has come out, or further research will be done. For example, there was also an Anglo-Nocte conflict in the year 1842, where it was completely missed out. In November 1842, the Noctes of Kheti village attacked an armed British expedition under Captain J. Brodie, political agent of Sibsagar. In the attack, the Britishers lost 2 soldiers and 4 were wounded, wherein the British had to retreat. A month later, in December 1842, a punitive expedition was launched against the Noctes. Captain Brodie was joined by Captain S.F. Hannay, commander of the Assam Light Infantry Battalion, Lieutenant Rowlatt of the 2nd Sebundies and Lieutenant Reid of the local artillery company. With full cannons, the Noctes defended themselves but were unable to push back the Britishers. The advancing British force burned down Kheti village and its inhabitants fled to some other locations. The punitive expedition lasted a week and they used every means to subdue and induce the tribe into submission, which they failed. Unable to pursue them further, the Britishers retreated. So these are incidents that have been completely left out. And also of the Ninu tragedy, there are incidents where the total, picture has not been proclaimed. So some sort of left out, incidents that have happened against the Britishers. So whether the further study will be carried out or we will let it confine to that which has been done. And whether the state government will take any other proactive action in this case.